Meaning of Great White Hope.
Great White Hope.
Great White Hope.
Great White Hope.
Great White Hope. Great White Hope is a derogatory term used to describe a white person who has hoped to achieve success in sports, particularly boxing, against a black opponent. The term gained popularity in the early 20th century when racial segregation was still common in many areas of society. The result of this belief was that great pressure was placed on the white boxer to prove themselves and win the match. This often led to heightened tensions between different racial groups and reinforced harmful stereotypes about black athletes being less skilled or intelligent than their white counterparts. The term has since fallen out of use due to its offensive nature.